Hey there! Welcome to Social Waves. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own ChatGPT account quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. First, open your favorite web browser and go to chat.openai.com. This is the official ChatGPT site, so make sure you type it correctly. Once you're on the website, you'll see a sign up button on the home screen. Click on it to begin creating your account. Next, you have two options. You can either enter your email address manually, or use your Google or Microsoft account for a faster setup. I'll demonstrate both ways. After entering your details, check your inbox for a verification email. Open the email, click the link provided, and your email is verified. Now, it's time to set a password. Make sure it's strong and secure, something easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Enter the verification code from your SMS, and you're all set. Your account is now active. Congratulations! You can now log in and start exploring the amazing capabilities of ChatGPT. Try asking a question or exploring some cool prompts.